What's going on, guys? It's the G35 channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get that key fob working again by replacing the battery. Alright guys, so now you're in the car, you'll grab your key fob, and what you want to do is pry on the top and split it apart just like this. Once you get it open, you'll notice the battery laying there. It goes on the bottom part of the key fob, plus positive side down. Put your new one in, close it back up, go out to the outside of the car and see if your new battery will work. Now you've made it to the outside of your car, all you have to do is press the lock button and listen to the horn to see if that fresh battery works. Boom, look at there guys, it worked. Thank you for watching today's video. Please go down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. Talking about subscribers, 95% of the people who watch this video aren't even subscribed. So go down for more content like this, hit subscribe, and remember, always stay positive.